Okay, I want to go through and explain a couple of the different offers we're going to be using on Instagram when it comes to your shoutouts. Now, a little bit of background just so you have some history on this. I've been doing Instagram influencer marketing since early 2015. I used to be these large pages. I built them, I bought them, I sold them, I flipped them, I monetized them, so I know everything, literally all the ins and outs of Instagram specifically. Now, I've actually seen the evolution of what offers work and what stuff has really started hitting well. Free plus shipping, that's what I would call the OG. That's the original. It's worked really well. It still works. Free plus shipping is actually my favorite offer on Instagram. Okay, I don't really use it too much on Facebook, but the reason I use it on Instagram is because if you think logically about the type of content that's posted on that platform, it's more so like funny memes, you know, fail videos, like entertaining stuff and celebrities. So it's not exactly an older demographic platform. You know, that's typically more for Facebook, which means it's more like the teenager, not so smart, you know, average person. So free plus shipping, they're not that smart. They know what it is. You know, free plus shipping is not a scam. It's not spam. It's not fake. It just is what it is. So free plus shipping still converts extremely well on Instagram, and I would highly recommend you test it out if you have the margin. Now, just for a little bit of information, I would go max like maybe $18 for shipping. That for me is like kind of the cap. I usually do stuff like $16.87, stuff like that where it's a random price right under $18. Just for me, again, you can test that for yourself. For me, $18 is kind of the cap at where the conversions really start to go down. So if I can keep it under there, which means theoretically my product cost is ideally under $3, but usually under like $7, you just have to think about your margins with your advertising cost. Now, something you should split test, which means do both to see which works better, is free plus shipping as well as what's called a retail offer. This is where, let's say I'm just gonna go with a $50 shirt. You're selling it for $25. Now, there's two different ways you can do this. That's on a discount, so 50%, I'm actually gonna knock this down a line, that's 50% or $25 off. That's two different variants, and that's going to play into the ad copy and how we structure that. That's two different ways you can kind of structure the retail offer. There's percentage off or percentage discount and a dollar amount. So you have percentage and dollar, those are two different things to test inside of the retail thing itself, just to see which one converts better. Now, as you're going through this module and setting everything up, I would highly recommend, if you have the margin for it, do free plus shipping. If not, do a retail offer and have your main two split tests be between percentage and dollar value. That's where you're gonna kind of really play around with conversions and see what's working the best for you. With that being said, jump on over to the next video. That's kind of all we need to talk about with the offers. Super simple, free plus shipping and or retail, split test between the two. If you don't have the margins for free plus shipping, just stick with retail, percentage and dollar amount, test between the two. Jump on over to the next video and I'll see you there.